Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today's video is about how to use hashtags on Instagram. But before moving forward, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's begin. First open your Instagram. Now to show you that how you can use hashtags on Instagram, first I'm gonna post a random picture. So tap on the plus icon given at the bottom bar and select a random picture to post. Do the editing. Now at this step where you can add a caption to your photo, tap on the right a caption bar, and now all you need to do is use this hashtag icon before typing any word or let's suppose I'm typing happy. As soon as you complete your word, you will get a lot of hashtag suggestions that are in use. You can either use a trending hashtag or make one your own. Just simply tap on it and it's done. And then tap on the post to post a picture. So everyone, this is how you can use hashtags on Instagram. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.